Hi, I'm Aishita and I studied at Jindal in the Jindal School of International Affairs for the MADLB program, and I graduated in 2017. Jindal was an amazing experience. I learned a lot of things. I took on a foreign language that I never thought about, which was Mandarin. Because in the international program, you have to take a foreign language. And given that my focus was on China, so I pursued that, and we had brilliant professors who were there from the beginning. I mean, for Jindal, the kind of infrastructure and facilities that were available, it's up to the student how much they want to tap on. It was limitless. For example, we had an opportunity for a winter school internship kind of a setup where we visited the villages of Bihar and Assam. Now, when you think about international relations, it doesn't really click to you, but there are certain, economic development issues that would interest people from our background. And that was truly new for me, thinking of, working in a village and making a difference, learning about border to border, interaction that keeps happening. That was something I don't think any other university could have given me, that kind of an opportunity. And the approachability of professors that I had throughout. And the other thing was there was a Taiwan Education Center where we learned Mandarin. And it was so interactive because we had native speakers, and it was like a one-on-one about knowing about their culture, the opportunities to go to Taiwan, which I did eventually in the future. So that was a great thing, and it was because I already knew somebody in India who was a native speaker, and about their culture, it helped me learn even better about the actual relations between both the countries. So that was one thing, and the other was the opportunity for international exchange programs, the kind of universities that you could go for, and it was a huge range that I had to choose from. And I got into the best university in China, which is Tsinghua University. While I was at Jindal, I interned at an organization called India-China Economic Council. And over there, I got the opportunity to do research work. And later on, I was asked to join right after I graduated. So I took it on because it was a way to get hands-on experience with the Chinese and what all is going on ground, apart from what we studied in our classrooms. And after that, I was there for 2 years. And then I moved on to Confederation of Indian Industry. And I look after the East Asia desk over there, which covers Japan, Korea, and China. The first day was very overwhelming for me, honestly, because when I saw the big buildings and I saw that kind of infrastructure, I was blown away. And when I saw the credibility and the credentials of all the professors, I was again blown away. So, initially there was this thing, okay, how am I going to approach the professors? But when they started taking the classrooms, they were very free and very encouraging to question, to ask questions and engage in interactions. Like most of the classrooms were based on interaction. Through the questions, you will get your learnings and your answers. And because it was a residential campus, everything was very flexible, like having classrooms at times which were working for everybody. I remember we also had a classroom at one of our professors' house, and it was a lot of fun. I mean, we ordered pizza and his cat, we played with his cat and things like that. And we also ended up learning a lot, having real discussions on, the economy, India, China, relations, everything. Actually, in Jindal, you have the opportunity to have foreign classmates, right? So my best friend, she is French, and she was in the same batch as ours. And we had this big submission to do, and none of us could study in our rooms. So we just went out near the flagpole, and we sat on the grass. She took out her laptop, played some nice French music, and I'm with my notebook. We have put a sort of mat and some snacks, and it's like a picnic and studying together on campus, and people are coming and going from the library. It was so relaxed. I mean, that day was so great. It still comes to my mind, and whenever I talk to her, I keep remembering that, we should just sit on the grass, soak in the sun and study, so to say. So yeah, that was one of the most memorable times I had.